This is the story of Jack. Jack is in his mid-20s, working full-time earning $55,000 per year, into sports, loves socializing and wants to buy a place of his own one day. Currently working in the CBD, spends $75 per week on public transport and lives 60 minutes away from the CBD. He spends an average of $200 per week on takeout and grocery. Rent share with 3 others is $220 per week, and of course other monthly living expenses such as internet, mobile, clothes, car, which is an average of $500 per month. Jack wants to live closer to work to reduce the travel times and public transport cost. He also wants to live closer to his girlfriend. Average price for 1-bedroom unit in CBD is $350 per week. So Jack wants to live closer to work, his girlfriend, and reduce cost on his everyday spending and save for his future home. Jack inquiries about InnoLab's smart unified ecosystem and finds out there is a room available for rent closer to the CBD with coin affordable co-living property. The rent is $300 per week, but he will also have access to private lounge, entertainment unit, and wet bar. He also finds out there is a co-working space and cafe that offers comfort foods. Jack realized if he pays his rent using Sue app, he earns a rent reward in digital currency that is escrowed for a time period. With the digital currency supported by the value of the properties in the coin affordable co-living portfolio and traded in the everyday transaction within the Sue ecosystem, Jack sees the value of his escrowed digital currency increasing. Jack enjoys his new residence and uses the Sue app just about everywhere it is accepted. Jack uses Sue to shop at his local grocery store, who is part of the Shuffle marketplace. He orders his coffee from InnoLab Cafe each morning, and on weekends, Jack does his bit for the environment, recycling his cup at an InnoBin station. But most of all, Jack is saving money, and with his rent rewards every week, Jack's digital currency balance is increasing consistently. Meet Jill, who has been dating Jack for 3 years. Things are getting serious now. Jack and Jill want to move in together. So they want to buy their first home. Jack looks into the Sue app and inquires about buying a place through Coin Property Partners and how to access his escrowed digital currency. They review the options available and proceed to withdraw their escrowed digital currency to pay the deposit to the property partner. Because Jack is part of the Sue app ecosystem and has built a solid saving on his rent payment, which is recorded on the blockchain, he is able to provide credible documentation to the bank and request a home loan. Jack and Jill move on and live happily ever after, thanks to Sue.